Yeah, that beeping's kind of...
Annoying. I mean, no, kind of annoying. That shit is very annoying.
But wow, she's pretty steady though.
Yeah.
Initial flight here, guys, the Holy Stone HS-120D. We just got done calibrating the accelerometers and the compass. We're recording on board. It came with an 8 megapixel SD card. This is brushed motor. She's starting to dip a little bit, but she's holding her position very well.
Temperature's starting to drop this evening, so the barometer's catching low.
Let's see how the speed button works. I don't have any. I heard a beep. I heard another beep.
You're supposed to have a light indicator in there.
That's got to be the high speed there.
I would think so.
Feels good though. The sticks feel good. Let me bring her back down.
Like you're gonna lose it.
Well, I can't fly looking at my phone, even though there are some guys that do. Let's try the let's try the tilt thing. Pressing down. She's beeping, 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 but I don't see anything moving. Let me go the other way. Alright, she's pointing down now. She beeps a lot, but it works. Actually, dude, the video looks pretty damn good. Let's see if we could take her out to the... I'm going to come off the speed one notch. So she's in second speed. Let's take her downfield.
How's video?
I should have put the app on the tablet so you can watch it. Somebody got to keep their eye on the bird.
That little thing? How's the video? Still holding?
Yeah, still holding. But I can't read the telemetry and, like I said, keep my eye on the bird.
Nobody can.
I'm at 116 meters.
Yeah, you are. You're down.
Yeah.
Real good.
Still tight. Tight signal. It's a little choppy, but...
It hadn't lost yet.
Go back to that third speed. She's got a hell of a yaw, too, for a GPS bird.
Got a nice pitch on her.
Yeah.
She's steady in the air.
She sure is. I'm shocked. Actually surprised. I'm like, not bad for a mini-size brush motor plastic toy drone.
Yeah.
Now I have to put my glasses back on. It doesn't tell you number of satellites. It just shows signal strength. Yeah, I got 5 bars.
Show a battery?
Dude, see, like I said, you can't fly and watch the bird and watch all of that.
Yeah, it shows a battery. Only down one line.
Oh, it's lines, not numbers.
Not numbers, no.
She's totally bowling though. Let's do an automatic land, guys. Whenever your bird starts to do this, you should land it
quickly
and recalibrate.
Yes.
Get down, girl. I had to apply some stick commands to for her to land.
Safely.
Yeah. The calibration for this bird calls for like 1 spin. I'm gonna go and try it again and just give them 2 spins. Compass calibration is done with a stick command as both sticks up and in. Pick up the drone from the back and rotate your body in 1 full circle. Backlights will turn to a solid blue.
You must have to do the other calibration first because they're still blinking.
Okay, let's go. level around
Solid blue.
solid blue? Okay. And the calibration screen went away. Okay, that's cool,
That's
right?
all it needed.
Yeah. Start the video again. It's not beeping this time, so maybe I wasn't calibrated.
Something was wrong.
Yeah.
And she is
She beeping?
steady.
Oh,
No beep.
that's the whistling of the motor. I hear a whistling sound. That would be your gear-driven motors. I'm not sure if this gear-driven or direct drive motors,
I'm not sure. I don't hear any gears.
but she's pretty steady though.
Yeah.
She's not toilet bowling anymore.
Not yet. I mean, no, not yet.
She's fairly steady. Like Eric said earlier, the temperature's dropping here. The barometers are going crazy. The wind speed is picking up.
But she's holding.
But for a mini toy drone with GPS, she's flying better than some smart drones we reviewed recently. and flying better than
Something like Tinkerbell. No, that's not it.
the Snaptane.
Tinkerbell is a fairy. Yeah, that's it.
Oh Lord, this thing already outperformed the Fairy.
Oh, yes.
Now the Fairy can fold up and you can put it in your shirt pocket, but
That's where it needs to stay.
yeah, exactly. What good is it?
Yeah,
I'm gonna give her some altitude, Eric,
give it some.
and I'm gonna give her some distance too.
Go ahead, go for it. She has a fail-safe.
She's supposed to. The wind's picking up. We passed your uncle's house. I still got FPV. FPV got a little choppy. Actually, my FPV is frozen now.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, it's frozen. And that was at 171 meters. Actually, it's back now.
It's back?
Yeah, so let's push it out. We're at 171, 178, 186, 200 meters. It froze up again. You see the bird, huh?
Yeah, that's fine. Well, I see a bird.
Yeah.
Oh, that is the bird.
Yeah.
Yeah, I see it.
And
It's back.
it is back. And at 229 meters,
Damn, that's pretty good for 5 gigahertz.
that fly out further than the Buying Toys X22. No fail safe yet.
Anything flies out further. I think the Fairy flew out further than the Bayang Toys X22.
Look, let's do a return to home from here. I'm not gonna push it too far on this first flight. There's the beeping. She's in return to home. I think she's flying backwards. No, she's facing the airport.
Oh, shucks, she even turned around?
Mm-hmm.
That's all right there.
I see your line of sight. She's coming over the field right now.
The
FPV.
telemetry's still working. She's 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20.
You got telemetry?
Yeah, still have telemetry, just no FPV.
Okay. Come here.
No, let her stay there. Let her stay there.
Come here.
Let her stay there.
Good girl.
No, it's not going to land on her anyway. Let her stay there.
Shh. Okay, let me break my neck on this one, guys.
Let her stay right there. I hope it's a perfect landing.
This is going to be raw, uncut video, Eric. This to show the guys the, what do you call it? The 100% honest review, huh?
Yeah. Those, yeah.
Yeah, honest review. This is the initial test flight that
But, you know,
I quickly read the operating instructions.
it's a lie when they say honest review from the beginning. Damn.
She came down. Oh, she hit that little buffer zone, slowing down.
She's about 1.5 meters off. That's not too bad.
That ain't bad for a toy drone, though.
No, that's 1.5 meters off, and that's real good.